Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set a song as your ringtone on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Files app on your smartphone. Now on this page, just tap on Audio Files. Now from here, just select your favorite song which you want to set as your ringtone. Now just tap and hold on the song. From here, just tap on Copy. Now just tap on Internal Storage. From here, just scroll down and tap on ringtones. Now just tap on copy here. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now just tap on ringtone. Now from here, if you swipe up, you can find your favorite song which we have added earlier. Just select it from here. And this is how you can set a song as your ringtone on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.